Those who say number crunching is an ordeal have perhaps been learning it the hard way. At HeyMath, we help children become proficient in maths by doing fun activities. For instance, to hone lateral thinking, Class 6 students of Vidyamandir had to crack a puzzle by finding the area and perimeter of figures. Class 7 students were introduced to probability using counters and dice, while students of Class 8 loved working with their friends to find factors of quadratic expressions.
I feel that this activity is very good for children to think outside the box. Usually when you do in class it feels so boring, but when you do such activities it helps in improving our knowledge, and also it helps in improving maths in this case. Most of the times after summer vacation we tend to forget maths, but so when you do the activity practically we understand maths. Theory doesn't help always. Even scientists need to be practical in life. So what happens is that in this you have to think, you have to be quick and also find fast. Like how in exam we don't get that exposure as we get in A-math. So I would advise that you do such activities to help in improving math.
Today was about probability test. It was really fun and really amazing. All of us enjoyed it.
It's basically so fun. During the exams, I won't forget anything because of it. It's fun.